The Harley-Davidson Nightster is a motorcycle that embodies a seamless blend of modern engineering and classic design, appealing to both seasoned riders and those new to the world of motorcycling. It represents a bold evolution of the Sportster line, integrating advanced technology with the heritage and spirit that Harley-Davidson is renowned for. With its unique styling and performance-oriented features, the Nightster stands out as a versatile machine designed to provide an exhilarating riding experience. At the heart of the Nightster lies the Revolution Max 975T engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin powerhouse that delivers a balance of torque and horsepower optimized for urban and open-road adventures. This engine not only ensures a thrilling performance but also meets modern emission standards, showcasing Harley-Davidson's commitment to sustainability without compromising on power. Riders can feel the smooth acceleration and responsive throttle, a testament to the engineering excellence behind the Revolution Max platform. The Nightster's chassis is crafted to enhance both agility and stability. Its lightweight design, coupled with a low seat height, makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, including those who may be newer to motorcycling. The center of gravity is thoughtfully positioned to ensure easy maneuverability, whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through winding country roads. The suspension system, featuring a front fork and rear monoshock, is tuned for a comfortable and controlled ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. A key feature of the Nightster is its adaptability to different riding styles and conditions. Equipped with selectable ride modes, including road, rain, and sport, the motorcycle allows riders to customize the throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings according to their preferences and the terrain. This versatility enhances the bike's usability, making it suitable for a variety of environments and weather conditions. The intuitive controls and digital instrumentation further add to the ease of use, providing riders with essential information at a glance. Design-wise, the Nightster is a modern take on the classic Sportster silhouette. Its minimalist aesthetic is complemented by a mix of matte and gloss finishes, giving it a contemporary edge. The fuel tank, traditionally located on the top of the frame, has been repositioned under the seat to optimize weight distribution and lower the center of gravity. This innovative design not only improves handling but also adds a distinctive visual appeal to the motorcycle. The exposed frame elements and clean lines emphasize the bike's raw and muscular character, making it a head-turner on the road. Comfort is another aspect where the Nightster shines. The ergonomics have been thoughtfully designed to cater to a range of rider sizes, with mid-mounted foot controls and a well-padded solo seat that provides ample support during long rides. The handlebars are positioned to offer a natural and relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue on extended journeys. Optional accessories, such as passenger seats and luggage racks, further enhance the bike's practicality, allowing riders to customize their setup for weekend getaways or daily commutes. The Nightster also incorporates cutting-edge technology to elevate the riding experience. Its LED lighting system ensures excellent visibility and a modern look, while the advanced electronics package includes features like cornering, enhanced ABS, and traction control. These systems work seamlessly in the background to provide added safety and confidence, especially in challenging riding conditions. The inclusion of a USB charging port and Bluetooth connectivity demonstrates Harley-Davidson's commitment to integrating convenience with traditional motorcycling values. For those who value individuality, the Nightster offers a range of customization options. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, Harley-Davidson's extensive catalog of accessories allows riders to personalize their bikes to reflect their unique style. Whether it's swapping out exhaust systems for a deeper growl or adding custom paintwork to make a statement, the possibilities are virtually endless. This emphasis on personalization underscores the brand's understanding of its riders' desire to make their motorcycles an extension of their identity. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Nightster impresses. The Revolution Max engine is not only powerful but also designed to be economical, ensuring longer rides with fewer stops at the pump. This efficiency, combined with the bike's 11.7-liter fuel tank capacity, makes it a practical choice for both urban commuting and highway cruising. Riders can appreciate the balance between performance and economy, a hallmark of modern Harley-Davidson engineering. The Harley-Davidson Nightster is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of freedom, innovation, and heritage. It appeals to a new generation of riders while staying true to the values that have made Harley-Davidson an iconic name in the motorcycling world. Its blend of performance, style, and technology makes it a versatile and accessible option for anyone looking to experience the thrill of two wheels. For experienced riders, the Nightster offers a platform that can be pushed to its limits, delivering a dynamic and engaging ride. For newcomers, its approachable design and user-friendly features make it an excellent entry point into the Harley-Davidson family. This dual appeal is a testament to the brand's ability to evolve while respecting its storied past. In a market crowded with choices, the Nightster stands out as a motorcycle that combines the best of tradition and innovation. Its striking design, coupled with modern engineering, ensures it remains relevant in an ever-changing landscape. Whether you're drawn to its performance capabilities, its stylish aesthetics, or its advanced technology, the Nightster offers something for everyone. It is a reminder of why motorcycles continue to captivate the imagination, representing a perfect blend of form, function, and freedom.